Hello, students. These are the directions for today's assignment on Wednesday, September 14th. You're going to be writing a vocabulary paragraph using words from Efra Undivided, our text. Please choose one chunk of vocabulary from the following three sets: chapters 1 through 5, chapters 6 through 11, and chapters 12 through 19. As you can see, there's a couple chapters embedded in each set. Please take the words from each of the vocabulary sections. You get to choose one: chapters 1 through 5, 6 through 11, or 12 through 19. Your task is to write a paragraph or creative story using those words from one of these sets. You can write multiple paragraphs or creative stories, or use more than one set of words for extra credit. You can do this in your table groups or on your own. It will be due at the end of class. Just a reminder, you only need to choose one set for your vocabulary. Each set of chapters will have about 10 to 12 vocabulary words that you're already familiar with. Be sure to be creative, and I look forward to seeing these when I return.